Hey, JP here. Today is about how to make Nerf YouTube videos. Now, I am a complete newbie to videoing Nerf. However, I have made lots of videos, and you know, it always comes down to the same two things. One, turn on the camera. And two, do test shots. I hear you. You're out there thinking, turn on the camera? Really? I think I got that covered. Turning on the camera and actually getting started is the #1 thing holding people back. It's truly a just do it moment. Don't worry about if you have the right camera or writing a script or if you have the right place to do it in. Just turn on the camera and start filming. It will break the ice and get you started. So what do you film? Test shots. Here is one of mine. This is me launching Mega XL darts past the camera. It is terrible. The background is cluttered, the sound of the Nerf blaster is too loud, while the whistling of the darts is too quiet. But you know what? It is the best clip I've ever shot. 20 seconds, and I learned all this stuff. All those things I learned just by turning on the camera before I was ready and doing a test shot. You know, I am just figuring this out myself. As I learn, I'll tell you what worked and what blew up in my face. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to catch it all. Well, now back to the test shots. You know, just try stuff. How many Nerf rounds can you fire at once? Nothing will make you feel like Steven Spielberg quite like cleaning up hundreds of Nerf balls off the floor. Enough of inside already. Let's start experimenting out in the world. As they say, on location. You'll find out how your props work, and even if you can see out of your helmet. Yep, shoots like a stormtrooper. While you're on location, be sure to pan around a bit and get some B-roll. You'll never know what you'll find. Get close to the camera. Move far away from the camera. Find out what you like. Slow it down, speed it up. Get the feel for how that looks. You will be amazed how much you will gain in just one afternoon of getting out there and turning the camera on. Now, I had a lot of fun doing this and sharing it with you. Thank you for watching.